Hi everyone. The purpose of this video is to show how you can get an ultra key or a chroma key effect in a very small space. I am seated in front of a blue wall over here. The area behind me must be about 4 feet wide, that's all. And the wall has been painted in the shade of blue. I am sitting and filming and recording this with a Logitech Brio webcam. I've got a LED light in front of me. The wall is illuminated with a ring light to the side over here to my left side. I am sitting at a distance of about 2 feet from the camera, and there is a separation of at least 3 feet between the back of my head and the wall. So now I'm recording this with using a Logitech capture, which is a native capture which comes along with the Logitech Brio webcam. I'm now going to switch on the chroma key in Logitech capture, and you can judge for yourself how good or bad the chroma key is going to be. So here you have, I have just turned on the chroma key, and you can see that my face is well illuminated. The background, there's a uniform black background. Not much editing would be required for this video. Of course, there is some spillage of the blue background on the left side over here, because the t-shirt which I am wearing is a shade of blue, and hence there is a spillage from the wall. If you're filming in front of a blue or a green background, you should be careful in not wearing clothes of the same color. This is a risk. Since I'm wearing a gray colored t-shirt, you can see some keying on my t-shirt also. But apart from that, my hands, they're pretty good. My face is well illuminated. Most importantly, the background behind me, the keying has been done pretty accurately. I won't have to do much work in the editing program while keying out or editing or making this chroma key better. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.